welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. Hope all of you guys are doing super good today. And today we're gonna be making a delicious shrimp empanada. They're super quick, super easy to make, and guys, so delicious. You can enjoy this if you have parties or get-togethers or as a family watching a fun movie. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy appetizer. If you're a shrimp lover, seafood lover, you must try these empanadas. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel for more easy family recipes. Give this video a like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Now, are you ready to make this delicious shrimp empanadas? Let's get started. Hello guys, here in my bowl I have 1 pound of medium-sized shrimp, already deveined, cleaned, and cut into small pieces. We're also gonna need 1 tablespoon of cherry tomatoes finely chopped, or any type of tomatoes that you guys have. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of green and orange bell peppers finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of white onions finely chopped. We're going to need lemon juice. And here are my empanada dough that I bought in the store. Of course, super easy and convenient. Let's start seasoning our delicious shrimp with lemon juice, half of a lemon juice. And let's add our vegetables, which are tomatoes, the bell peppers, the onions. Let's season it with ground black pepper, a pinch, and about 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste to your liking. This is the seafood seasoning I am using. You can use Old Bay as well, and I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of that seasoning. We're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Now we're ready to mix, making sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. And now we are ready to cook. I have here on my stove a medium heat. We're cooking our shrimp, and I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil to my pan. I'm gonna add all the shrimp, we're gonna mix, and we're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. After the 5 minutes, as you can see, my shrimp is almost ready. Now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of pasta sauce, just so it can add flavor and color. Now we're gonna mix very well, and we're gonna let this cook for about 5 more minutes as well on medium heat. And now guys, our shrimp are ready to put set aside so it can cool down, and we can start making our empanadas. I'm only gonna make 4 empanadas because my kids like cheese empanadas. So as you can see, it's super easy. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of the mixture to our empanada dough, and then we're gonna close it using a fork. We're gonna close the edge. And pretty much that's it. And here how it looks. Now we're ready to fry them up. In my pan, I added enough oil to fry my empanadas. We're cooking this at medium-high heat, and I'm adding 2 at a time. Now you want to cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until you see that the edges are starting to brown. That means we're ready to flip over. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Now we're ready to flip over the other empanada, and we're going to cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes again. Then we're going to remove it and add the rest of the empanadas and do the same step. Cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's nice and golden on the bottom. We're going to flip them over on the other side and continue to fry for 1 to 2 minutes. This appetizer is so good, so delicious. And guess what, guys? We are ready to serve. I served it with this quick and easy delicious sauce, which is tartar sauce, sriracha, and garlic powder. Mix well, and that's it. You can enjoy. Let's see how these empanadas look inside. Guys, come on, now look at the shrimp. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time.